Thought for the day, Thursday, August the 8th. Take unity wherever it is missing. Fraternal unity is not composed once and for all. It is necessary to rebuild it always. It may be true that when unity exists, and through it the presence of Jesus in our midst, we experience the great joy promised by Jesus in his prayer for unity. But when unity is missing, shadows and confusion seep in. Then we live in a kind of purgatory. That is where our love of Jesus crucified and forsaken must come in. It is the key to unity. That is when the love of him first solving any pain in us, we do everything in our power to rebuild unity. Chiara Lubich, The Spiritual Doctrine, Ciudad Nueva, 2017, page 67. Word of Life for August 2024. Lord, it is good for us to be here.
We are members of the Focolare movement from several Latin American countries and from Italy. Did you like this video? Then give us a like and subscribe to channel Playing Campaign.